Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 starter won't turn issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A starter that will not turn in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as the engine not cranking when the key is turned or the start button is pressed, sometimes accompanied by clicking sounds or complete silence. Verified owner reports and service information show that no crank or no start concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine configuration, electrical system design, and vehicle condition. One verified and frequently reported cause involves battery-related issues. A weak, discharged, or failing battery may not provide sufficient power to engage the starter motor. Corroded or loose battery terminals can also restrict current flow, leading to no crank conditions. Another confirmed cause relates to starter motor or starter solenoid failure. Over time, internal wear in the starter assembly can prevent it from engaging the engine. Owners often report intermittent starting issues before complete failure occurs. Ignition switch or start system-related issues have also been documented. Faults in the ignition switch, push-button start system, or related relays can prevent the starter signal from being sent, even when the battery is in good condition. Neutral safety switch or transmission range sensor issues are another verified factor. If the vehicle does not correctly detect that it is in park or neutral, the system may inhibit starter operation as a safety measure. Electrical wiring and grounding problems have also been reported. Damaged wiring, poor grounds, or faulty relays in the starting circuit can interrupt power delivery to the starter motor. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include anti-theft system-related behavior, software-related control issues, or accessory load affecting starting voltage. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing battery health, inspecting and cleaning battery connections, checking starter and solenoid operation, inspecting relays and safety switches, and diagnosing wiring or control system faults. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 starter won't turn complaints are resolved through battery replacement or starter repair rather than major engine work. However, experiences vary by model year, electrical configuration, and maintenance history. In conclusion, a Ford F-150 starter that won't turn is typically linked to battery issues, starter component failure, or starting system control problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.